Want to make easy money online? Here's how to start with the Temu affiliate program. Perfect for beginners. Step 1. Go to affiliate.temu.com and sign up for a free affiliate account. It takes just a few minutes. No special skills needed. Step 2. Once approved, you'll get access to your dashboard. There, you'll find your unique referral links and promo banners. Step 3. Pick trending products or deals to promote. Focus on what your audience actually wants. Temu has everything from gadgets to fashion. Step 4. Share your link on social media, TikTok, YouTube, or even in group chats. You earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Step 5. Track your earnings in real time on your dashboard. Some affiliates earn daily just by sharing deals consistently. Bonus tip: use short-form videos or product reviews to boost clicks and trust. It works. Start promoting Temu today and turn your followers into income. No upfront cost, no inventory.